Hey guys, Al from RevHigh here today. We have a stunning Mercedes-Benz W205 C63 S in today for a carbon fiber gloss intake. These are pretty cool intakes. The actual skeleton is 3D printed, and then the carbon, which is real carbon, is hand rolled and polished and formed on top of it. So you can see why they're pretty expensive compared to a lot of the other intakes that we see here. This is one of the premium intakes. We noticed a lot of the solid gains on these intakes, especially with the filters. That's a dry filter, so you get a lot more noise from these, and they're going to stay nice and cool. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Otherwise, enjoy this cool video. Thank you.